We live in this world where there is this fantastic scientific innovation, but at the same time, an overabundance of information. And some of it is misinformation. At Tally, we put science first. We're always looking at the latest research. We're looking at PubMed and scouring what's new and forming a point of view on that to help consumers make much more informed decisions.
Yeah, we are constantly looking at the literature, trying to find things that challenge our own assumptions and hypotheses. And the reason for that is we want to make sure we're constantly on the cutting edge and that whatever we're doing is truly science-backed.
Let's talk about supplements. The world of supplements can be very varied when it comes to quality control, the purity of the ingredients.
One thing we try to do at Tally is really adhere to our own standards for even considering a molecule for inclusion in a formulation. We want there to be very, very rigorous hard evidence, both across experimental research studies and human studies as well. And the reason for that is we want to design things that are going to help people on their journey to live a long, healthy life. And we don't want to give people something that we can't connect to a large body of evidence. And what we're looking at here is not just this evidence that it can target aging itself, lifespan, healthspan, and research studies, but we want to know that it's impacting known hallmarks of aging, and there are 12 that are established and the field agrees on. In addition to that, we really want to see that there are human, clinical, placebo-controlled studies that look at these ingredients, and it's not just enough for there to be one trial that was published. We need to see multiple trials that have been published because we want to know that something has been reported to be tolerable and effective.
The science team at Tally has published a number of peer-reviewed papers in leading scientific journals. That plays a critical component in how we are creating our suite of products and presenting those to the world and helping not only educate people, but to provide this level of transparency that is so needed in this industry.
Yeah, it really is unique to be publishing so much in this space. And we're doing that for several reasons. One is we want to show our work. We've put in a lot of effort. We've done a lot of research to figure out what products to offer. And another reason we do this is we care about contributing to the aging research community. We want to help people live healthier for longer. And one way you can do that is to actually make discoveries and share that with other researchers so then they can also use that and build off of it.